Imagine a single nutrient that can help lower your risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, and even improve your mood. Sounds too good to be true. That nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids. And in today's video, we'll explore how omega-3 South protect your heart, the best foods to get them from, and simple ways to add them to your daily diet. If you want to keep your heart strong and healthy, stick with me till the end. Heart disease remains the #1 cause of death worldwide. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, and poor diet all play major roles, but research shows that omega-3 South can make a huge difference by targeting these risk factors naturally. Let's break down how. Omega-3 South are essential fats, meaning your body can make them on its own. You need to get them from food. The three main types are ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, found in plant sources like flaxseeds and walnuts; EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, found mostly in fatty fish; DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, also found in fish, especially salmon and sardines. Each plays a role in reducing inflammation, maintaining flexible arteries, and supporting brain and heart health. How omega-3s South protect the heart. Here's where things get exciting. Omega-3s South help your heart in 4 powerful ways. 1. Lowering triglycerides. High triglycerides are a major risk factor for heart disease, and omega-3s South can cut them by up to 30%. 2. Improving cholesterol. They raise HDL, the good cholesterol that clears fat from your arteries. 3. Reducing blood pressure. Omega-3 South help blood vessels relax, lowering hypertension naturally. 4. Preventing clots. They reduce stickiness in platelets, which lowers the risk of heart attack and stroke. This is why cardiologists often recommend omega-3 South as part of a heart-healthy diet. Foods rich in omega-3 South. So where can you find them? Let's start with the best animal sources. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, tuna, especially albacore. And if you're plant-based, don't worry. Plant sources include chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, hemp seeds, edamame. These foods can easily be added to meals without complicated prep. Plant-based versus animal sources. There's a small catch. ALA, the plant form of omega-3, isn't converted very efficiently into EPA and DHA in the body. This means if you're vegan or vegetarian, you may want to include algae-based omega-3 supplements, which directly provide DHA and EPA. That way, your heart gets the same protective benefits. Fish oil supplements are one of the most popular in the world, and for good reason. Clinical studies show that high-quality omega-3 supplements can reduce the risk of sudden cardiac death. But here's the key. Quality matters. Look for supplements that are third-party tested, with at least 500 to 1,000 milligrams combined EPA and DHA per serving. Avoid cheap versions that may contain contaminants like mercury. Here's something most people don't know. It's not just about eating enough omega-3 South. It is also about balancing them with omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 South are found in vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower. In excess, they cause inflammation. The ideal ratio is about 1 part omega-3 to 4 parts omega-6, but in most Western diets, it's closer to 1 to 20. That imbalance fuels heart disease risk. The fix: eat fewer processed oils and boost omega-3 foods. Here are 3 simple ways to get more omega-3 South every day. 1. Eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week. 2. Sprinkle chia or flax seeds into your morning smoothie or oatmeal. 3. If you don't eat fish, consider an algae-based supplement. It's not about drastic changes. Small, consistent habits add up to a healthier heart. Omega-3 fatty acids are one of the most powerful tools we have for protecting heart health. By adding the right foods and balancing your fat intake, you can lower your risk of heart disease and live with more energy and vitality. So tell me in the comments, what's your favorite omega-3 rich food? Is it salmon, walnuts, or maybe chia seeds? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their heart health. Until next time, take care of your heart. It's the only one you've got.